So here we are, Star Trek Christmas unboxing day 7. As I said, this is the one set I left out of my Star Trek Inner Space set list. Looks like it was gift wrapped. Thank you to the seller for doing that for me. It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. So, like I said, this is the only set I left out of my previous video. The TOS Inner Space Shuttle comes with Captain Kirk and Scotty. Unfortunately, this is the only original series set they released, so we can never get the entire crew. This shuttle is not as accurate as the Goddard shuttle from week 1. The insides are not very accurate to the show. Let's get this one open. As I said, it comes with Captain Kirk and Montgomery Scott. They have never been in the shuttlecraft together though. Here are the insides. As I said, it's not very accurate to the show. So, we will place Kirk here as a passenger and Scotty will be flying. Here I am having some trouble with the hinges. I have a similar problem on the sickbay set. Could have something to do with the age of the set. So we have Scotty flying and Kirk as the passenger. It is not closing properly. It almost seems like it doesn't want to close with them seated in it. That is it. The next episode will be on Christmas Day, and it'll be a big one. The best one of these videos.